Ladies and gentlemen, the second matchup of the semi-finals. Introducing to you the two contenders. The wrestler in red waistband, he hails from Kizumetuma village, the son of Huluyi Paunuo, 26 years of age, weighing 104 kilograms, standing 5 feet and 10 inches tall, Mr. Medosatuo Paunuo. His opponent in blue waistband, hailing from Sakrabami village, the son of Medosatuo Vadeo. With the decisions given by the referee, the first bout,
Huluyi Vadeo winner.
the winner of the first bout, Mr. Huluyi Vadeo, is the son of Medosatuo Vadeo, hailing from Sakrabami village, 20 years of age, weighing 91 kilograms, standing 6 foot tall.
Ini video mo Chakhesang Naga no Vadeo kasokdas dido.
With the decisions given by the referee, the second bout goes in favor of the wrestler in red waistband, Medosatuo Paunuo. With both the wrestlers winning each bout, we shall proceed to the third bout to get one clear winner.
Vấn minute vô đây. Seconds left.
With the decisions given by the referee, the third bout goes in favor of the wrestler in blue waistband, declaring the winner of this second semi-finals matchup, Huluyi Vadeo.
This is